Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to set default Google Chrome Android. Once we have Chrome installed on our phone, we will do the following. We open the mobile settings and then enter applications. Next, we enter the default apps option. After that, we enter the browser app. Finally, we will choose Chrome as the default app to be the browser. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.